Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is Lookfantastic. The front of the box, which just says Lookfantastic, has got my address on it. So that's why I'm showing you the back. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their October beauty box, then as always, you'll find a timestamp down below in my description, so you're free to flick forward. It costs £15 a month if you take out a monthly rolling subscription. If you take out a 12-month rolling subscription, it'll bring the cost down to £13 a month. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12 months if you pay up front, and again it is discounted. Inside we receive 6 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related: skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, and sometimes we get the odd freebie. This box is a PR box. Lookfantastic kindly send these boxes out to me so I'm able to share with you. They have given me a code which will entitle you to either a discount or a freebie. It changes, but I'll find out. You'll find details down below in my description, as well as any other discount codes and offers I can find, and all my other discount codes and offers for other websites you'll find down there, including an advent calendar giveaway that I'm currently running on Instagram. So you're welcome to take a look down there. Inside will contain a QR code, so I'm able to tell you a little bit more about the box. But let's open it. So there's a sneak peek. It's a QR code, so I'm just scanning it. It says go from day to night. Is that the theme this month? This month we pulled together a 6-piece edit of unmissable beauty pics from day to night. Plus it's our Lookfantastic Beauty Plus birthday this month. Don't forget you can get £10 worth of points when you spend over £100. And it goes on to telling you what's inside. Okay, I'm just going to see if we have any variations. We've got a sneak peek for November. It's an Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, 15ml, and it's worth £27. So that's what we'll have in next month's box. There's one variation in the box, so I'll do that first. You will either receive what I've got here, which is a Beauty Works Heat Protection Blow Dry Cream with argan oil and provitamin B5, and there's 30ml there. It's a little pouch that you can undo and seal, I'm assuming. Yeah, you can pop it back on. This is worth £4. It says a heat protecting cream that seeks to shield your strands from heat damage. The formula is designed to make hair more manageable, delivering volume and shape without weighing it down. It's also rich in argan oil and provitamin B5 to keep your locks protected from thermal stress. So you'll either receive this, which is classed as a deluxe size, or you'll receive a deluxe size Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. This is 60ml and it is worth £9. So over double the value of the heat protection screen. It's, sorry about the lines, it's nothing to do with the ring light, it's to do with my camera and your camera, my phone camera and my Panasonic camera. It just causes lines on the screen like that, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a leave-in spray that aims to shield strands from heat damage and environmental aggressors, as well as preventing faded colour. This 3-in-1 spray is rich in green tea extract and organic sunflower sprout to help hair grow and shine, combat environmental aggressors, and hydrate and detangle hairs. I mentioned this in another beauty box in October. When we have variations in boxes, if the value isn't roughly the same, then it can really discourage people. And the fact that the heat protection spray is £9 and the heat protection cream is £4, you're not talking megabucks in between. But I know a few of you will be like, well, you know, I prefer the more expensive one because it just feels like we're getting more value for money. But that aside, I haven't tried that before, or the Grow Gorgeous Heat Defense Spray either, so I can't tell you anything about them. I wonder why boxes do that, because it's not just Lookfantastic, there's other boxes as well that when they put variations in, you often find like one is like a really higher value than the other. But anyway, so this is what I got. And then it looks like everyone else will receive the same. Starting off with Luxa Skin, if I'm saying that right. It's a day moisturiser, night cream, serum, base, all in one. It's a universal emulsion, and there's 30ml here. This is full size and it retails for £17.40. An all-in-one cream, night moisturiser, serum and primer that preserves the skin's health and youthfulness. It's scented with rose and ylang-ylang and enriched with SPF 10 to protect the skin from sun damage. This everyday emulsion will leave the complexion feeling velvety smooth, firm and plump. Ooh, a little bit. There. It's a moisturiser and a day cream and a serum and a primer. And it says to apply all over your face, including your lips and your décolletage. It feels really nice. Yeah, it does. No, it's got a very, very subtle smell. Yeah. I think so, although I have been spraying loads of perfume in this room beforehand. So might all be mingling with everything. But no, it does feel really nice. So we've got an all-in-one skincare product there. Next we've got Esper. This is a clean and green detox mask. Skin nutrient mask to purify, balance and refine. There's 30 mils here. I like it on the back here in big writing. Do not eat. Okay then, I won't. I was tempted, but I won't. This is deluxe size and it is worth £21.82. A green smoothie for the face, delivering radiance boosting benefits to dull complexions. This creamy clay formula is packed with nutrient-rich plant-based ingredients, including broccoli seed oil, spinach, kale, and spirulina to deliver detoxifying and clarifying action in synergy. This mask not only nourishes but also draws out impurities to minimise the look of dead skin and clogged pores for a brighter, more balanced appearance. So it's so nice and green. Smells nice. It does smell nice. I think I had this in an advent calendar. So we've got a detox mask there from Esper. Next we've got something for the eyes. This is by Brushworks and it's eyelash curlers. Lash curlers. Yeah, and it just says get a beautifully curled and lifted lash. Look, with Brushworks pink eyelash curler, this pink and silver curler provides long and fuller lashes without the need for falsies. With a cushioned pad for maximum comfort, this lash curler is the perfect tool for prepping lashes for a stunning wide-eyed look. I'm sure you knew all that already. And didn't need me telling you what eyelash curlers are. They seem smaller than other ones I've got. As far as eyelash curlers go, they're nice and they're more compact than others I've got. Some of them are quite big. Handy for keeping in a makeup bag. But yeah, I have got loads of them. Loads of them. There is one particular eyelash curler. I can't remember the make of it. I've got it added to my wish list on Lookfantastic and it's always out of stock. But it's supposed to be amazing. And I can't remember what it's called. I quite like that. That is small. Next up, we have got an eyeliner, a long wear retractable pencil by Delilah in shade Coal. I think it's Coal. Yes, it is Coal because it's spelt differently than the other type of coal. An eye pencil coal then, I mean. This retails for £20 and is full size. There. Ooh, that's quite a nice smudgy one. Maybe it's because I've got the Esper mask and the moisturiser on that hand. But yeah. No, I quite like that. I love a smudgy eye pencil. Featuring a dual-ended design with a built-in sharpener. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about this. I have had pencils before. So you got a little sharpener there. It just sticks on the end. The ultra creamy pigmented eye pencil formula glides onto the lid smoothly to create a flawless eye look, whether it be a natural daytime look or a dramatic smoky eye. The liner promises up to 12 hours of no smudging or fading, so you can party all night and throughout the day. And lastly, we have got Lottie London. This is Slay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. What shade is it? I can't see it. So good. And it is worth £4. It's deluxe size. Oh, the colour looks nice. Yeah, I love that. Oh, I wonder how long lasting it is. Look, I love that. That's a beautiful colour. A velvety smooth, ultra long lasting, smudge free matte liquid lipstick is a pinky nude shade. The nourishing formula is easy to apply and glides on the lips for a luscious lip look that lasts all day. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the October Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving a bit of a recap. We've got Beauty Works. This is a heat protection cream. You'll either receive this or the heat protection spray from Grow Gorgeous. We've got a Luxer Skin, which is a multi-purpose face cream. We've got a Brushworks Lash Curler. We've got an Esper Green and Clean Detox Mask. We've got a Delilah Black Eye Pencil. And lastly, a Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. The box looks quite bare this month. Doesn't it? I just think it's because there's quite a few smaller like sizes in here. Although the Esper product is worth £22. You know, Esper's beautiful. I love it. So that is, you know, that obviously that covers the cost of the box. And the Delilah pencil, that's £20 full size as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of the products? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. And thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.